So the next one is side angle side, and I start off with the easier ones. So side angle side, which is just SAS. Okay, side, and side angle side are the two easiest ones to be able to understand, and the two easiest ones for me to show you if you are interested in it, if I haven't already showed you. What this means is if you have two sets of two sides that are congruent, and the angle between them is congruent, then the triangles must be completely congruent. All right, so basically you have a side and an angle right here. Okay, and that's the situation. The angle has to be between the two sides. All right, so if I look down here, there's a picture of basically what I just showed you: a side, an angle, and another side. And notice the angle is in between the two sides. It has to be in between the two sides in order for it to work. Okay, congruent statements. Let's write this down. The first one doesn't matter. All right, so triangle SVR. And I like to write over here on the side like a little scratch to figure this out. So SV, and this is how I typically do it, SV has to match up with TB. So S to V matches up with T to B. So I'm going to put TB. And then I'm going to make sure that that makes sense for the other one. So VR is supposed to match up with DW. So VR matches up with DW. And sometimes I'll have to flip some letters around. But that works. So triangle SVR is congruent to triangle TBW. It is super important to practice writing these things down if you want to get better at doing the lower level proofs and also being able to get farther into the higher level proofs.